Motorola's handy Bluetooth device adds satellite messaging to your iPhone or Android smartphone. This is cool. Need to communicate but out of Wi-Fi and cellular range? Yeah, I do. Expeditions. Well, you don't need to have, I guess, a whole separate satellite communication device. Why not have a little transmitter, receiver, that's capable of connecting to your existing device that you've already got? That's kind of a unique idea from Motorola. Peace of mind with access to satellite messaging, which is really all you need to get an SOS out there without buying a new smartphone that supports satellite. Motorola has a solution for you. It's the Motorola Defy Satellite Link, which is announced at MWC. Credit card size device measuring 70 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 11 millimeters thick, and it only weighs 70 grams. It has a MediaTek 3GPP NTN standard modem, and that supports Bullet Satellite Connect, plus an eSIM and independent GPS. It connects via Bluetooth 5.1 to any iOS 14 or later or Android 10 or later smartphone, and is rugged. IP68 military standard 810H with a lanyard and attachment loop so you can hang it around your neck or off your belt, or you can keep it in your car's glove box in case of an auto emergency. You're going out to the national park, you don't know about the coverage, you got it in the glove box. It has a 600 milliamp hour battery, and it's transferable between phones. That's the best. You can use my thing to connect. You could lend the device to a family member who's going for a hiking trip, for example, and not have to worry about all the credentials on your phone. It's just a gateway, something to connect to. Could lend it to a family member as they go on their hiking trip. Could lend it to Willie Doo when he goes climbing Mount Everest.
Oh, I'm not going to do that.
Climbing Yosemite.
Okay, yeah, I'll give that a shot.
Nice. Glad we found something that works for you.
I mean, it's small. You don't need some sort of like satellite array that you set up on top of a mountain or something. That's cool.
So you connect your phone to the Motorola Defy Satellite Link, and a text message with up to 140 characters with location information included is then sent up to the satellite, to the nearest geosatellite, 22,300 miles, relayed back to a ground station, and then it travels via cellular or Wi-Fi to whoever the recipient is. How cool is that, Will? You kind of like that, right, Will? Oh, I think we just saw a price on it. But then, there we go. Motorola Defy Satellite Link, Q2 2023, international retailers, $100. Or you can bundle it with a plan for $150, which gives you 30 satellite messages a month and SOS assist. I mean, this is not a thing that you're supposed to be using frequently, right?
Yeah, for someone who's just hiking,
it's cool.
A lot, climbing.
Yes, peace of mind, Will.
Yeah,
peace of mind.
Backcountry stuff.
Let's go, Will. I like that you're into it.
I'm a fan. Yeah,
I like that you're into it for once.
It's very rugged. Cool.
Tell us more, Will.
I'm done.
Yeah.